Ever feel like traditional banks just nickel and dime you? Monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements. It can feel like they're always taking a cut. Maybe you're tired of the limited hours or the impersonal service. Perhaps you're new to the whole banking scene and wondering where to even start. Building context. Well, fear not, fellow financially frustrated friends. There's a new wave of challenger banks out there, shaking things up and offering a more convenient, tech-savvy banking experience. One such option is Varo. Varo is a mobile-first bank, meaning everything is done through their app. No branches, no hidden fees, just a straightforward approach to managing your money. But before you dive headfirst into the world of Varo, a crucial question: what do you actually need to open an account? Addressing common misconceptions. Now, let's dispel some myths. You might think opening a bank account requires a whole lot of hassle. Mountains of paperwork, endless queues, proof of income bigger than your head. That was maybe the banking scene of yesteryear. With Varo, the process is designed to be quick and painless. Here's the good news: there's no minimum credit score requirement for a Varo account. That means even if your credit history isn't perfect, you can still get in the game. Main content. Requirements breakdown. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. To open a Varo account, you'll need a few key things. Be 18 or older. This is a standard requirement for most financial institutions. Be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. Varo currently only operates within the United States. Have a valid government-issued ID. This could be your driver's license, passport, state ID, or military ID. A social security number. This is used for verification purposes. A smartphone or device that can run the Varo app. Since Varo is mobile-first, you'll need a device to access their app and manage your account. An active email address. This will be used for communication and account verification. That's it. As you can see, the requirements are pretty straightforward. No need to raid your filing cabinets or jump through hoops. Additional considerations. While these are the main requirements, there are a few additional things to keep in mind. Varo currently doesn't offer joint accounts or business accounts, so keep that in mind if you need those features. They also don't have physical branches, so everything is done digitally. If you're new to banking or have concerns about online security, that's totally understandable. Varo uses industry-standard encryption to protect your information, and you can always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Benefits of Varo. Now that you know what you need to open a Varo account, let's talk about why you might want to consider it. Here are some of the key benefits. No monthly maintenance fees. Unlike traditional banks, Varo doesn't charge you for simply having an account. Early access to direct deposit. This is a big perk. With Varo, you can potentially access your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled payday. Mobile app convenience. Everything is managed through the user-friendly Varo app, allowing you to check your balance, transfer money, and deposit checks on the go. Security features. Varo prioritizes security with features like encryption and two-factor authentication. Varo might not be for everyone. Of course, no one-size-fits-all approach exists in banking. While Varo offers a compelling package, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. For instance, if you frequently need to deposit cash or prefer face-to-face interactions with a banker, the lack of physical branches might be a drawback. Additionally, Varo doesn't offer some features like safety deposit boxes or cashier's checks. So, there you have it. We explored what you need to open a Varo account and the potential benefits it offers.